So you can go ahead and set a zone. So on here we've actually got a zone I've set up just right around here, just so I can kind of test out a couple of things. I'm going to go ahead and press the continue working button. And as this is going to go ahead and start up and connect and go ahead and follow within this particular zone here, I've gone ahead and put out some flour just spilled on the floor. And I'm going to go ahead and put out some water here. I'll go ahead and put some water out over here and assume we spilled some water. And we'll see how well it does getting all of that cleaned up for us. So even with one pass over the water and flour mixture, it seems to be doing a really fantastic job picking all that up. That was obviously going to be pretty extreme, typical, but what it's going to show on here is actually showing the exact pathway that this did a perimeter sweep. And now it's just going back and forth over the section that I've provided. It obviously does a good job as far as pet avoidance. So it realizes that there's animals that are there.